Do you want to build wealth? Do you dream of financial independence? Imagine a life where money works for you, not the other way around. A life where you call the shots, where you're not tied down by financial constraints. Intriguing, isn't it? Building wealth is not just about amassing money, but about achieving that coveted sense of financial security. Curious to learn the secrets of wealth creation? Stay tuned as we reveal practical and actionable tips for wealth building. Wealth isn't just about money, it's about understanding your financial habits and goals. Picture it like a three-legged stool, with one leg as your income, the second as your spending habits, and the third as your savings and investments. Balance is key, and understanding how these three aspects interact is what builds a sturdy foundation for wealth. It's not just about accumulating a lot of money, but also about planning, strategizing, and setting financial goals. Remember, understanding is the first step towards building wealth. Ready to start your journey towards financial freedom? Here are the tips. First and foremost, saving is the bedrock of wealth creation. It's not about how much you earn, but how much you keep. Challenge yourself to save at least 10 to 20% of your income. Remember, it's never too late or too early to start. Next up, invest wisely. Your money needs to work for you, even when you're not working. Consider low-risk investments like bonds or high-risk, high-reward options like stocks and real estate. Do your research, understand the risks, and make informed decisions. Now let's talk about income diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Start a side gig, invest in different sectors, or consider passive income streams. The more diverse your income, the more secure your financial future. Moving on, reducing debt is crucial. High-interest loans can eat into your savings like a hungry wolf. Prioritize paying off your debts, especially those with high interest rates. It's not just about saving money, it's about saving your future. Lastly, plan for retirement. It might seem a long way off, but the earlier you start planning, the better. Invest in a retirement fund, consider a pension plan, make sure you're setting yourself up for a comfortable future. Implement these tips and you're on your way to building wealth. Building wealth may seem daunting, but with the right approach, it's achievable. Let's recap. Understand what wealth means to you, then set clear financial goals. Use smart strategies like investing and budgeting to your advantage. Prioritize financial education to make informed decisions. Remember, wealth isn't merely about having a lot of money, but creating a life of abundance and financial security. Start today, and remember, the journey to wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Your future self will thank you.